Okay, so I thought I'd try to explain it over video because it's kind of visual, so it'd probably work better if I just showed you. So before, right, you were dilating from the center. So let's say we're dilating this segment by like what? R equals 2. All right, so we're starting from the center. This is not what you're doing for your homework. This is like what you did before. You say, okay, how do I get to A? All right, so I go up 2 over 4, right, to get to A. So 2 over 4. And I want to dilate by a factor of 2, so I double that to get like the scaled slope thing, right? So times 2 over 2 equals 4 over 8. So to A, so it's up 2 over 4. Now I got to go up 4 over 8, starting from that center. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so that goes there. So that's A prime. And then same thing for B. This time it's up 4 over 2. So 4 over 2 times, so scale it up, equals 8 over 4. So before it's up 4 over 2, now we're going up 8 over 4. So up 8 over 4. And so that's B prime. All right, so that's what you were doing before, starting from the origin, seeing how far do I go, up 2 over 4, and just doubling that. Before it was up 2 over 4, now it's up 4 over 8. Same thing for B. So now let's say we're doing like the homework from tonight, and we're not talking about the origin anymore. We're going to talk about, let's put the center here. So center equals, that's 2, 2. I'll call it like E, I think they do that. So I'm not starting at the origin anymore. Now I'm starting at this new center. And say I'm doing the exact same thing. I want to dilate by R equals 2. So before, what we did, we'd start at the center, see how far do we need to go to get to A, and then double it. You do the same thing, except you start here. So how far do I need to go to get to B from this new center? Well, it's just up 2. So up 2 over 0. So that's up 2 over 0. Do the same thing where you times by the scale factor. So now you get up 4 over 0. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's B prime. Okay, how do I get to A from my new center? It's just over 2. So up 0 over 2. Do the same thing with the scale factor. Get 0 over 4. Okay, got to go up 0 over 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of on the point there. Whoops. So that's A prime. And I can connect it like that. Again, sorry for, I don't have any like graph paper at my house. But anyway, so recap one more time. Before, we would start at the origin and we say, okay, I'm dilating this segment. How do I get to the first point? Okay, I go up 2 over 4. If I'm dilating by 2, I double it. So before up 2 over 4, now up 4 over 8. Same thing for B. Now I'm not starting at the origin anymore, but I'm doing the same thing where I say, okay, I'm dilating this segment. How do I get to that point from the new center? It's up 2. So then I just double that. So up 2 before, now it's up 4. Over 2, now it's over 4. And you do the same thing if the factor was like 1/2. That's just getting smaller this time. So if I was trying to dilate by a scale factor of 1/2, it's over 2. You just cut that in half, so it's just over 1. So hopefully that makes some sort of sense. Let me know.